Hello everyone and welcome to this week's SE Factory Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to talk a little bit about regular expressions, which are powerful tools in the arsenal of any software engineer. Regular expressions are basically a sequence of characters and symbols defining a certain search pattern. Regex 101 is a great app for learning more and testing your regular expressions. Let's start with a simple example. As you can see below, we have a body of text, and let's say we want to search it for something very specific, like for example the year, and we can just start by typing 2016, and as you can see it only matches the year 2016, leaving out 2020 and 2015. What if you want to add a more general pattern to match more years that have the same format? We can start by adding the bracket and 0 to 9 to signify that we're looking for any number between 0 and 9, and then we add the 4 quantifier to specify that we are looking for a year composed of 4 digits. Let's take a more complicated example. As you can see below, we have some data representing some client database with some personal information. Don't worry, all of this info is fake. It's just here for simulation purposes. And let's say we are looking for the numbers of these people. We want to define a pattern that matches specific mobile or landline numbers. Let's start by adding the plus sign to signify the country code, and then we have a 961, and we want to capture that with a 0 to 9 segment token. And then we add the 3 quantifier to signify that we're looking for 3 digits. And then we add the open parentheses after escaping into the backslash. And then again, we add 0 to 9 to signify that we're looking for digits, but this time we're looking for 2 values signifying the area code. And then we close the parentheses, then we add a space and a dash, and then we have the 6-digit number with a space in between. So how do we capture that? Just open up the bracket again, 0 to 9, and this time instead of closing it, we need to add a space because we have a space between these numbers, and then we add the 7 quantifier to represent that we're looking for 7 characters specifically. Now if you want more information on the pattern that I have just written, you can see the explanation on the right, and you also find the match information also to your right, and there's a small quick reference for all the tokens that are available for you to use. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next week.